guys, good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we do a general simple selection filter. Simple as that. We have different filtering options in Tableau, but ideally, since we have already discussed about conditional filtering, let's discuss about a simple selection filter. What is a selection filter and where we have to apply it? Let's discuss some scenario here. Let's start with creating a table. Let me take I don't know the sales. Let me start with some huge number of scenario. Yeah, state would be the right thing. On top of it, I'm taking some data. So Alabama product, maybe like quantity usually comes in. Let me take something as profit. Yeah, maybe the right thing. Yeah, record it here. Alabama some number, Arizona some number, California, like each and every state is producing some profit on top of the sales that they are making on. Now let's take your project is basically been working for a specific state, or maybe like a specific number of states. Let's take you are working for a specific region which consists of only like 4 or 5 states altogether. Remaining states is something that the data is getting produced, but it's not always that you have to supposed to generate some visualizations for that. If that is the case, let's start here. How to do the selection filter comes into play. What I'm doing, I'm just taking the state and then I'm dropping here. On top of it, I just freeze the number of states that I'm going to do any visualizations on top of it. So what I wanted to do here is, maybe let's take, I wanted to understand about Alabama, California and Arizona, maybe like 3 states, simple as that. Maybe like, yeah, I can add Florida and Georgia. Cool, that should work. So ideally like 5 different states is what I wanted to do any analysis beyond. So basically I wanted to go for a selection pane, which is basically the selection filter within general. Select from list, custom value list, use all. If I produce a use all, none of them is been giving an option to you. It's because that we are specifying use all, everything is getting selected, simple as that. If not, look at it here, the selection comes in. The selection is basically selected 49 of 49. Since like it says that 49 states are there, out of that I wanted to use just Alabama, Arizona, California, Florida, Georgia. Cool. This file I have checked it because like we got 49 states. It's not that always we wanted to select everything, deselect everything and then select the specific one. You can, I have deselected these 5 states, but ideally I wanted to use these 5 states. What I can do is, there is an option, whichever I check marked it, I can exclude it one shot. Cool, then see here, excluded 44 of 49, but if I uncheck it, selected 44 of 49. This is an idea here. So if this is the case, the remaining data that I would be having is just those 5 states. Let's apply and see that how it works. Cool, then look at it here. Alabama, Arizona, California, Florida and Georgia comes in, which is what the 5 states I wanted to do analyze on. If I exclude those things and then I apply it, I would not get Alabama and Arizona. I just get across for A, simple as that. So I don't get Florida, I don't get Georgia. Whichever I have been deselected it, I exclude it, simple as that. So now if that is the case, I select it and then I do apply. So look at it, exclude comes in, I click apply. Cool. So this becomes the default data. So whatever analysis that we are going to do further will remain only for this 5 state for this. Simple as that. This is what the selection filter is within Tableau. Cool, then yeah, so let's see in the next video with other topics. Thank you.